Hello everyone, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mushur Machidegi ID 171261152. Welcome to my presentation. Special thanks to our honorable teacher for great opportunity. I will discuss about the citation of other law with Registration Act. Transfer Property Act 1882, Section 3, Interpretation Clauses. Proof in respect of the instrument means and shall always be considered to mean the testimony of two or more witnesses is of whom so the mark of affixed of the instrument, or so that the other person signing of the instrument at his other place at the direction of the executor, or received from the executor, or by the signature of the other person, and is often the signed instrument of the presence of the executor, but there will be needed to the more than and witness at time and no form of evidence of the inquiry. Section 19. Vested interested. Where in the case of a transfer the interest is created by the person without specifying the effective time of the commencement or the accordance with the term of the transfer of the immediate event, that interest is granted to the person unless the contrary purpose arises the term of the transfer. Interest given to a person is not overcome by the death of the transferor before the inheritance. Trust Act 1882. Section 5. Trust of the immovable property. No fund of respect of the immovable property may be deemed to have been declared at non-testament of the writing signed by the trustee or trustee and the registrant, or at the will of the trusted or trustee. Real estate found of there is no fund of respect at the legal movable property unless otherwise started as mentioned above, or unless the ownership of the property has been transferred to the trustee. This rule do not apply where there will be work of the fraud. Section 6. Creation of trust. Subject to the provision of the Section 5, a trust is created when the trustee expresses reasonable assumption of any word of the action, his or her intent to the build a trust, the purpose of the fund, the beneficiary, and the trustee structure. Section 77. Trust how execution. When its purpose is fully realized, or when its purpose is lawful, and where the fulfillment of not purpose does not occur by the discrimination of trustworthy property of the otherwise, or where the trust is removed is clearly removed. Section 78. Revocation of the trustee. Where all beneficiaries are able to enter into the agreement with their consent, b. where the trustee has been declared into non-variable or oral toll in the exercise of the expressive power vested in the treasurer or the fund, or c. where the trust is to repay the debitor and debts and it is notified to the creator through substitution of the translator. Code Fee Act 1870. The code fee before the information, no documents of any kind of defamation as a change is first of second schedule at Act. Amendment shall be the logate shown at the recorded in the court justice or the receipt of the granted by any public service, unless such payment has been paid and not execution of the other schedule cited at the applicable amount of the document. Section 30. Cancellation of the stamp. No document required money under this act shall be affixed or processed in any proceeding in any court of office until a stamp or receipt has been cancelled. The acting declare or head in office may be from the time to time of receipt of any such document immediately cancelled the funds to leave of the train deposit understood and the remote of the first, provided that if any document with the stamp charged by the code of the current design 2032. Pakistan just offered March 26, 1971, and the current one is the Bangladesh is presented to the relevant authority will immediately cancel it by punching the net number of the left fixed amount of underquote. Thank you.